Hi guys, my name is Cullum, and today we're going to go over where I got my Toyota T100 fender flares from and the options that you have to get your very own set. So, where did I get my Toyota T100 fender flares? Well, I got extremely lucky and a T100 came to the pull apart with a set on. I ran to the pull apart, picked them up that same day for a meager 20 bucks. Now, I was in the market for fender flares and yes, I just lucked out. But from my research, I quickly found out that there were only two options that I personally could find in terms of getting T100 fender flares. One, Bushwhackers. Two, Jungle Flares. Major pros and cons between the two. Bushwhackers, they're a well-known brand, therefore they're expensive. They are made specifically for the Toyota T100. Now the Amazon reviews, they are a little bit questionable. A lot of people on there will comment that they are not up to the typical Bushwhacker quality standards. So please take that as you will. Option number two is Jungle Flares Company. Now they are the cheaper option. They are a much smaller privately owned company. And when you email them with inquiries, the owner will generally be the one to respond to you in a very quick and informative manner. Now, this kit is not made specifically for the Toyota T100. Therefore, it will require very minor modifications, and I will put a link to their webpage that explains everything needed. Price comparison between the two. Bushwhackers will typically run you anywhere from $410 to $500 on Amazon. Jungle Flares, they run you $250 plus a $25 fee associated for reorganizing the kit specifically for the T100. Now, when I was in the market for the fender flares, I was personally going to go with Jungle Flares. Reasons being, they're significantly cheaper than the Bushwhackers. Two, when I emailed the owner, he was extremely informative and responsive. Three, I like supporting a smaller company. There's a lot of reviews out, well not a lot, but there's some reviews out there from other T100 owners that have purchased these flares and modified them for the T100, and I didn't find any negatives. That's it. I hope this video was short, quick, and simple and to the point. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see how I modified my ARB bumper to fit the Toyota T100, I will have a video on that. When it is up, the link will be in the description below. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. I do all sorts of different adventures and I will be putting up different informative videos specifically to the T100, especially as I continue to build the thing up. That is it for today. Again, my name is Cullum. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys next time.